Okay, hello students. Now let's start this topic, creation of saving. I hope that you have understood the first, ability to save. In the last video we have discussed about the capital formation, what is the meaning of capital formation. Then we have seen the different steps which are process of capital formation, general saving, mobilization saving and investment, right? In that yesterday we were discussing about the ability to save. So in ability to save we have seen that income of the individual plays an important role. अगर income किसी individual की ज़्यादा होगी then only he will go for saving. And the taxation policy of the government, if the taxation policy of the government will be good, for example the interest rate and all those things sufficient according to the individual, then sure they will save the money. और अगर टैक्स उनको ज़्यादा पे करना है in that situation or in that condition they will not save the money. Next is willingness to save, right? Willingness to save means here the basically the important condition is that the person or the individual should be willing or should have the desire to save the money. उसके पास चाहत होनी चाहिए कि वो save करे money. Okay, if for example the person have more money, okay, उसके पास मनी बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट फैमिली लेवल पे अगर कोई बीमार हो रहा है तो ही इज़ पेइंग हिज हाफ इनकम टू द डॉक्टर एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स इन ट्रीटमेंट. सो इन दैट कंडीशन हिज एबिलिटी इज़ देयर, एबिलिटी है बट ही इज़ नॉट विलिंग, वो नहीं कर पा रहा है, नहीं चाहता है. ओके, सो एबिलिटी विलिंगनेस शुड बी देयर, विलिंगनेस होनी चाहिए. ओके, एंड apart from the above this, the higher rates of interest also motivates the people to save. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अगर rate of interest here it is given, if in bank the rate of interest on saving accounts is high then sure the people will go for it, चाहेंगे कि करें कुछ सेव करें. ओके, नेशनल कंसिडरेशन मीन्स कि नेशन की क्या सिचुएशन है, क्या कंडीशन है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट दे विल गो फॉर सेविंग. Okay, for example in right now in this epidemic condition the people they are thinking for the welfare, they are not interested in saving the money. वो अभी सेव करना नहीं चाहेंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या अभी प्रोडक्शन ही नहीं हो रहा है, प्रोडक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, कंजम्पशन नहीं हो रहा है. तो इन दैट केस लोगों की इनकम नहीं बढ़ेगी, इनकम नहीं बढ़ेगी तो श्योर दे विल नॉट save the money. Okay, next is opportunity to save. Opportunity save means here the opportunity to save refers to the condition of peace and security in the country. It's given means and favorable political condition of the government which motivates the people to save. अगर किसी country की political और political condition अच्छी है, if the people feel safe and peaceful in the country then sure they will go for saving. अगर वो अपने आप को secure और सही महसूस कर रहे हैं तो ऐसी condition में भी they will go for saving. And measures and scheme by the government. Now here opportunity, अवसर मिलने चाहिए उन्हें सेव करने की, right? Why the people will save the money? क्यों सेव करेगा? Yes, sure, if they will get the good interest from the bank तो sure they will go for the saving. ऐसी condition में वो saving के लिए saving prefer करेंगे. Okay, clear? So this is creation of saving includes ability to save, willingness to save and opportunity to save. Okay.